Welcome to GeorgeWay mathTV.
For each graph below, state whether it represents a function. Well, whenever I'm being given a graph and I'm asked that question right there, I know that I have to use what we call the vertical line test. And with the vertical line test, if I fail the test, then it's not a function. If I pass, it is a function. But I have to know when I can say I've passed the test and when I can say I failed the test, because that's what is going to help me know if it's a function or not. So looking at this graph right here, does it pass or fail the vertical line test? Well, in order to pass the vertical line test, I shouldn't be able to draw a line through 2 points. Or it should be impossible to be able to draw a line that will intersect more than once on the graph. It shouldn't be possible. And looking at this right here, if I draw a vertical line, it's going through only 1 point. If I draw a vertical line here, just 1 point. It's not intersecting more than once on the graph. Same thing, if I draw a vertical line, it's not intersecting more than once. Because of that, because it's not intersecting more than once on the graph, it's not intersecting more than once, I would say I pass the vertical line test. And when I pass, I would say it is a function. So this graph is a function. What about this one? Oh, I'm able to draw a vertical line that will intersect more than once on the graph. I was able to go through 2 points that was given right here. Because I was able to go through 2 points, the vertical line intersected more than once on the graph. Same thing here. Because that happens, I'm gonna say it has failed the vertical line test. And when it fails, it is not a function. What about this one right here? Would I be able to draw a line, a vertical line that will intersect more than once on the graph? Oh, this one will just go through here, just once. So it's never possible for me to draw a vertical line that will intersect more than once. So because it's not possible, I would say it has passed the vertical line test. And when it passes the vertical line test, the graph is a function. What about this one right here? Would I be able to draw a line that will intersect more than once on the graph? Oh yeah, I can draw a vertical line like that and it intersect more than once on the graph. So because it is intersecting more than once, it is possible to draw a vertical line that will intersect more than once. That means it has failed the vertical line test. And when it fails, it's not a function. What about this one right here? Is it possible to draw a vertical line that will intersect more than once? Yeah. I can draw a vertical line right here and it will intersect here and it will intersect right there. So because of that, because it's possible for that to happen, it has failed the vertical line test. And when it fails, it is not a function. What about this last one right here? Would I be able to draw a vertical line that will intersect more than once on the graph? Alright, so looking at this right here, because this is open and that one is closed, we will not be able to draw a line through them. Same thing right here, we will not be able to draw a line. And here, of course, if you draw a vertical line, it's going to only once. Here, it's going to only once. So because it's not possible to draw a vertical line, it has passed the vertical line test. And when it passes the vertical line test, we say it is a function. And that's it. Now it's your turn. You see that this one right here is a matter of just be able to remember the rule, the vertical line test. If you would remember that rule, that you know when you can say it as pass and when you can say you failed. Because when you pass, that's when it's a function, which is when it's not going through 2 points. Or you're not able to draw a vertical line that will be able to intersect more than once on the graph, and that's pass. And you say it's a function. And when you're able to draw a vertical line that will intersect more than once on the graph, if it's possible, you say it has failed. And when it fails, it's not a function. So again, just keep doing this. If you want to go over the video again, please do that. And the more you hear these rules, that's how you're going to get it, okay? And just keep practicing. But I know you're going to get this, okay?
Please don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell to be notified for new videos, and share.